2022 World Cup, the Japanese fans stayed back to clean up the stadium. And even the players themselves made sure to leave the dressing room spotless after that very big game. Japanese fans have been cleaning up after themselves for some time now. They did it at the 2018 World Cup in Russia, and did it in a couple of tournaments. Before that, this time around they even clean up the stadium when their team isn't playing, like in the opening game between Qatar and Ecuador. So the question is, why do Japanese fans clean up after matches? They surely don't have to, but they do it anyway, and they do it religiously. So why? As one fan said, it's because they have respect for the place. Another fan went a little deeper with his response. He said, "Our heart is clean, so the stands must be clean. This means the team reaches its destiny." 4 years ago, Scott McIntyre, a football journalist based in Japan, gave a little insight into why the Japanese clean up after themselves. According to him, it's not just part of football culture, but part of Japanese culture. If you like the video, make sure to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for latest updates.